The East Central Illinois Master Naturalist program is built on education, service, and hope. If you have a passion for the outdoors and you are interested in sharing that with others, you may find your niche as a Master Naturalist. Your journey begins with a training program developed by Illinois experts in over 20 areas of ecology, presented by local professionals through engaging and awe-inspiring presentations and field trips. Trainees become familiar with the techniques for managing natural areas and teaching others about environmental issues. Being a Master Naturalist gives you opportunities to take on leadership roles in natural area stewardship, such as being a site steward or participating in research projects. It'll also open doors for you to become an educator for your community. Master Naturalists are individuals who can be counted on to restore and conserve our precious natural resources. More than anything, you will become a part of a community who shares the same values, curiosity, and passion that you do. East Central Illinois Master Naturalists enjoy one thing more so than being outside, and that is the company of one another.